Hey there, I'm Chef Ani. Today we are going to make vegan Parmesan topping. But you might be like, well, I've tried vegan Parmesan cheese before and it wasn't that good. That's why you have to give it at least one more shot with this recipe. You can sprinkle this Parmesan topping over so many things. It is totally cholesterol free and absolutely delicious. Sky's the limit when it comes to the uses of this Parmesan topping. So enough talking, let's get cooking. Now I'm going to start with some cashews, but you can also use blanched almonds. They work just as well. Add the cashews to our food processor. Next we're going to add some nutritional yeast flakes, some garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and finally a little salt. Blend it together. You want it to be a fine crumb consistency. Now if you're really short of time, I would stop it right here and use it like this. However, I like to add 3 more ingredients just to kick it up a notch. I'm going to start with a little bit of lemon juice. Next I'm going to add Bragg Liquid Aminos. It's kind of like a soy sauce. And finally, vitamin C powder. It's also called ascorbic acid. Acid sounds like such a scary word though. That's why I like to call it vitamin C powder, because that's what it is. You don't need all that acid. And this will really add to the flavor. Blend this up now. That is how incredibly easy this is to make. Ah, what is that? What is that? Go away. I don't act like I've lived here my whole life. So now since our mixture is a little bit wet, we're going to bake it in the oven. For a detailed recipe, head over to my website, chefani.com, link in the description of this video. Okay, so now it's just come out of the oven and it looks amazing. Now that our Parmesan topping has cooled completely, you want to put it in an airtight container, and we found that glass jars work best. And you can store it in the refrigerator. Now I get to try this. Whoa, all right. That is really good. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week. So hit that subscribe button to join me in this adventure to eat healthier. One recipe at a time. At a 9. Okay. That's a bee. Please leave me alone.